You told Kai GIGI to stop collabing with Brooklyn. You told him that shit, bro. That shit up, bro. And it goes deeper than that shit, bro. Boom. People are like, you said that I called Kai saying, you said, what did you say? You said, oh, yeah, she's a little girl. Don't fuck with her. Don't fuck with her. Bet. Boom. Kai and me spoke in New York, 4th of July, around 4th of July, July 3rd, around that in 2024. When they were first talking, whatever, they were trying to figure out what he wanted to do. I think he asked me what I knew about her. I told him, or I was called him and told her. He's like, yo, like, what you know? I told her what I know, bro, from a close source, that this girl, she literally was not fucking with you, bro. She was not fucking with you at the jump. She was not fucking with you at the jump, bro. She was saying, oh, like, Kai lucky he got money, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you're not her type. Laughing in the back of my mama's car. Laughing in the back of my mama's car. Saying, Kai lucky he got money. He lucky he got money. Boom, boom, boom. He not my type. Ooh, woo-doo-woo, woo-doo-woo. Why the fuck you saying that about somebody? Oh, I'm gonna play my cards right. How you gonna play your cards right? You got all jokers. Fuck you talking about, bruh? You got all jokers. Fuck you talking about, bruh? And I'm saying, listen, he called me. I told him this. I said, bro, you my dog. My loyalty goes with you, brother. My loyalty goes with you. You're literally on camera saying your type is tall. You want a fucking tall, you want a tall, light-skinned ass man. You wanted a 6'4", 30. You wanted them type of, you wanted to do a goddamn Michael Porter Jr. You want to do a Kelly Oubre. You feel me? So don't come at me and make me feel like, oh, I know what you was talking about. Like, oh, tell him, oh yeah, he wanted to fuck with me. He wanted to fuck with me. Back to level fucking 3, to content. That shit was cool. You was cute, but my loyalty.